Guys, one of the best sections in third year. Naglagi pa niyo, you are here to? Top the board exam! Guys, narinig nyo, they are here to top the board exam. Okay, this is their class in NCM 111, Nursing Research. Makita nga natin kung talagang pang-top notcher na itong mga batang ito. May pa-focus din ako mamaya. Okay, BSN 3G. Okay, may student leader pa tayo dito mag-taking mamaya, guys. Prinamis lang mag-top siya sa board exam. He's Mr. Koji Makato. Batch 2026. Okay. Pero sabi niya siya na lang daw mag-top talaga. Okay, guys. You have here the types of qualitative research. Okay. When you wanted to know the essence of something. Essence. Phenomenology. What are the two types of phenomenology? Interpretive and descriptive. Okay, if yung research ninyo, yung qualitative research ninyo will not fit to any of the qualitative designs, what is it? Content analysis. If you wanted to know a certain case? Case study or case research? Case research. Wala na tayong case study, di ba, sa qualitative? It should be case research. Case research, okay. If you wanted to be a part of if you wanted to know a certain culture? Ethnography. Pwede bang doon ka na lang tumira muna? Yes. Anong problema mo sa ethnography? Habituation. Okay, very good. Ano pa? If you wanted to generate a theory out from a qualitative study, what is it? Grounded theory ba? Talaga ba? Mag-grounded theory kayo. Okay, guys, so we have the mixed method research. What are the 4 types of mixed method research? Number 1. Convergent parallel. Number 2. Embedded. Okay, you have your convergent parallel. You have your embedded. You have your exploratory and explanatory sequential design. Pag inuna ko ang qualitative, is it explanatory or exploratory? Exploratory. Marunong talaga sila. If inuna ko ang quantitative, explanatory. Pag pinagsabay ko, convergent. Okay, pag mas malaki yung quanti sa quali or quali sa quanti? Embedded, guys. Basic ang research sa kanila. Pag sinabi kong FGD, focus group discussion. Pag sinabi nating findings, quali-quan, qual-quan, findings, quali. Pag sinabi nating results, quali. Pag sinabi nating participants, quali. Pag sinabi nating respondents, quali. Very good, guys. Ready na po sila for international research defenses. Again, you are here to what? Top the board exam! Lagarod, quiz.